Okay, so let's take a look at easy projection on the Mate 20X. This is kind of like Samsung DeX, but a little bit better because you don't need any proprietary dock. All you need is a USB-C to HDMI wire, and you plug it in and watch what happens. Okay, so a touchpad appears, although we're connected to the phone via Bluetooth with this Bluetooth keyboard and this mouse, so that's how we're going to interact with it. But if you wanted to, you could use the mouse pointer like this. Now we've got all of the apps here that we were using on the phone, and some of them that are optimized for this environment will open in a windowed mode, such as, let's just open a few apps here. This is Google Docs, and we could create a new document, and it's just a really good experience if you want to kind of take your phone out of your pocket and maybe get some work done without working on a little keyboard. You can have a keyboard as big as you want. And performance is very good, actually. You can open up lots of windows. You can open up Chrome. Chrome works great. You can add multiple tabs. And you can use the scroll wheel on the mouse, or if you want to, you can go back to the phone, use a two-finger gesture, kind of like a laptop, and scroll down that way. And then you can, of course, tap on the screen. Another unique thing about Easy Projection is that it works wirelessly with Miracast enabled monitors. So you don't even have to use a hard wire here. You can just kind of use the whole experience wirelessly, which makes it a lot better. But yeah, really good performance on this with the Kirin 980. Just a really cool way to get more out of your phone and maybe get some work done in the process. So that was a look at Easy Projection on the Mate 20X.